Imagine the visibility on any kind of business you are willing to own or you even own. Smart investors, I'm talking about businesses like schools, hotels, hospitals. Even if you don't want to build all those businesses, smart investors, do you know you can build spaces to rent out to business owners that render services like cleaning, services like logistics, services like bakery, services like consulting firms. Smart investors, there is a whole lot to do to make that money work for you. There is a whole lot you can achieve if you invest in this income producing asset, which is downtown Lagos commercial city. When I talk about commercial real estate, I'm talking about a steady income generating asset. Banks where you can build commercial spaces for event centers. There are a whole lot you can do with your commercial real estate. That is the reason why you should be owning downtown already. Downtown is the only commercial real estate we have just adjacent the Lagos Calabar Coastal Road, as you can see behind me. So I'm back here to give you site updates on what we have done so far. Smart investors, make sure you watch this video to the very end and I will see you soon. Welcome back, viewers. If you need visibility, you need downtown Lagos commercial city. With what I can see, perimeter fencing is progressing, the gatehouse is in construction. Smart investors, remember that we have just the 500 square meters and the 1,000 square meters commercial plot, and you have the opportunity to make an initial deposit and spread your balance across 12 months. This is a rare offer to come across in Ibeju, Lekki. While I was coming here, I passed so many residential estates, but guess what? I didn't pass much commercial estates. So downtown Lagos commercial city is the only commercial estate we have around here as of today. Of course, many commercial estates will still come around, but for the fact that we are already here, smart investors, you need to join us on this journey. You can see that the gatehouse and the perimeter fencing construction is already ongoing. Down to sand filling, a whole lot is happening on downtown Lagos commercial city. If you have bought into downtown, congratulations, because you have already enjoyed a quick return on investment. If you buy today, you still have the great opportunity to make returns in a short period of time, more so when this place is fully functioning and your business is well positioned. Don't forget that there is a whole lot you can do with a commercial land. Don't forget that we launched this property sometime this year and we are almost selling out. Property well positioned, perfect title, developed by the same real estate company that is developing the Eco Paragon. You know Eco Paragon, where we have the 1 bedroom, the 2 bedroom and the 3 bedroom, the only hotel residence in Ibeju GRA. Smart investors, enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you soon. Prime location, visibility, good title, high resale value, rental demand. Downtown Lagos commercial city is not just a property, it's power, presence and potential. So why not call me on the number displayed on your screen so that you can secure an acre in here in downtown Lagos commercial city. Till I come your way again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell so that you stay connected to this channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.